Hi everyone, in this video let's speak about Copilot. What is Copilot and how we can use it? On Windows 10 and Windows 11 we have powerful AI software. It is Copilot. What is Copilot? Copilot is an AI software. It is developed with Microsoft to speak with Windows and solve our problem. I want to ask from Copilot to open Microsoft Excel for me. Hey Copilot, open Microsoft Excel for me. Look, it opened Microsoft Excel for me. You can speak with this software and you can solve your problem. Hey Copilot, what is Copilot? Please explain for me.
Sure. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to help you with a variety of tasks. Here's a brief overview. What is Copilot? Copilot is a conversational AI tool developed by Microsoft. It leverages advanced language models to assist users in various ways, such as answering questions. You can ask Copilot for information on a wide range of topics. Generating text. It can help you write emails, summaries, reports, and more.
When you click on Windows taskbar, here is taskbar setting. Click on taskbar settings. If Copilot is not open for you, here we have Copilot on Windows Preview. If it is off, you can on it. Look here in the corner, here we have Copilot. Click it. Here we have a different thing. With Copilot, we can do something interesting like chat. If you have any question, we can write for Copilot and Copilot will give our answer. For example, I want to write here, what is computer? When you click on submit, the Copilot will write the answer. Here we have microphone. If you want to speak with Copilot, you can speak from microphone. Here we have a screenshot. You can use like this. When you click on a screenshot, then I want to take this image screenshot. Click in done. I want to write here, what is this image? This image shows a computer desktop with a blah blah blah. Okay, here is add a picture. If you want to add some picture and ask question about that picture, you can click on picture, then upload from this device. For example, I want to upload this arrow. Click on open. Now ask your questions. For example, how we can use this image. Here we have different tools like read aloud, share, copy, dislike, and like. When you click on copy, you can copy all this text. When you click in this read aloud,
the audience's attention to specific points or sections. Instructional material. Use it in manuals or guides to highlight steps or important information.
Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time.